Hello students, I'm your tutor Sarah Adebola and you're welcome to another episode of Natural Skincare Formulations. Today we're going to be discussing what formulations are. First, let's start with product formulation. Product formulation is basically understand the different elements and materials and ingredients and how they act and interact with each other to give specific results in an enhanced and satisfactory way. It works for it to provide better processing of active ingredients in a favorable manner. In the first place, we select the ingredients we want to use and note them down. Once the step is performed, the formulations are tried out. As and when the formulations are tried out, the formulations are then reviewed thoroughly before moving on to the next step. For commercial purposes, we have lots of formulations that are produced, which are for skincare products, for cleaning agents, for cosmetics, drugs, fuels, foods, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this course, we're going to be talking about skincare formulation. Skincare formulation is the art and science of putting ingredients together for making skincare products that enable you to design a product that is effective, safe, and allows to deliver appropriate and relevant results for a specified skin type. The skincare formulations concentrate on using certain ingredients that can help solve a specific skin issue and deliver particular results. How do we formulate natural skincare products? First, we have to choose our ingredients wisely. The aroma, color, skin compatibility, and so on and so forth are some of the things to be seen in an ingredient. First, you have to buy simple ingredients and make sure you know about their usefulness. Since we're talking about natural skincare, as a formulator, you should tend to look for herbs and leaves and petals to make a specific targeted natural product. Then, we need to focus on the formulary target. Well, by now, we're quite sure about using some specific ingredients. So while we're making the formulation, we have to make sure to understand the major purpose of the product. We have to concentrate on the goal that we want the products to offer. For example, the type of problem the product addresses, the type of skin we're going to put it on, the major benefits we're looking forward for it to deliver, and so on and so forth. Then we need to understand the percentage ranges of an ingredient. It is important to know the percentage of different ingredients to be used in formulating a specific product. As a formulator, you should have a precise knowledge regarding the proportion of an ingredient to be used in a product, which we call dermal limits, or we call it usage rates. For this, we're going to need to research about that particular product. We're going to look at the regulated and the recommended usage rate by the FDA for us to know the percentage range in which we're going to use that particular ingredient. Then we need to start by making anhydrous skincare products. In the next few lessons, you're going to see why you should start out with anhydrous skincare products, and we're going to talk more about anhydrous skincare products. The best way to start making natural skincare products is by starting with your anhydrous skin formulations. This type of formulations do not contain any water, therefore there is no need for any preservation. We have examples such as body and facial oils, body butters, lip balms, and so on and so forth. However, if we're making other products that contain water, we have to have some useful strategies to preserve them naturally. And we have to make sure that our formulation works well with our natural preservative. We have to focus on certain significant aspects such as the amount of shelf life the natural preservative offers to your natural skincare product. So these are some of the ways to formulate a natural skincare product. Well, to formulate natural skincare product, you need to use the least chemically induced ingredients. We should lean towards herbs, leaves, petals, buds, barks, and so on and so forth. Some of the natural skincare herbs we're talking about are lavender, aloe vera, tea tree, chamomile, and so on and so forth. There are millions of such herbs and leaves that we can use, and you're going to see some of them in your ingredient directory ebooks. Now, let's talk about cosmetic formulation. It is important to learn about cosmetic formulas to become a cosmetic chemist. In the cosmetic industry, a person will specialize in particular types of formulations such as hair, skin, color cosmetics, etc. The color cosmetics include products for face such as foundations, eyeliners, highlighters, formulas, and so on and so forth. A person needs a very high level of understanding and practice to create effectively powerful formulas for skincare products and cosmetics. This is why we always say, as a skincare formulator, you need to not only just attend classes, you need to keep researching all by yourself, and also you have to keep going for more courses. Because you've offered one course does not mean that that is the end. You need to keep improving on your knowledge as a skincare formulator. And with this, you've come to the end of your first lesson in your module 2. Stay tuned for your second lesson.